The immune system is a very powerful component of the body. It's what keeps you healthy and well. It's the body's natural defense mechanism to protect you. Eating healthy and taking supplements can help promote a strong and resilient immune system. Why is the immune response so important? Being healthy is what most everyone wants. If you're unhealthy, you'll be sick and not feeling well a lot. If your immune system isn't working properly, then all the viruses and bacteria floating around would constantly be attacking you. Your body's immune response to these infections is important to make sure that you stay healthy. How many types of immune responses are there? There are two types of immune responses to your immune system, known as innate and adaptive. They are responsible for different things within your immune system, but yet they work together to fight for your well being. Let's look further into the specifics of each of these systems. Innate immune system. This phase of immune response is the first step and known as the natural one. Have you ever gotten a scrape on your knee? At some point in time, we all have. Innate immune is what helps your body detect any bacteria or infection that may enter through your wound. It will begin to fight it off and keep it at bay with the mucous membranes and the skin. Adaptive immune system. This phase is the second step in your body fighting off infection, bacteria, or foreign substances, and is one that is acquired. While the innate system is fast at detecting when there's a problem, the adaptive system takes a bit longer. It takes its time to correctly identify exactly what the problem is at hand. The really cool thing about this phase is its accuracy and memory. Adaptive immune is so much more thorough in detecting the problem and is able to treat it the right way. Our bodies are amazing things when we feed them what they need and take care of them. Once the bacteria causing the problem has been identified by this system, most likely you will never have an occurrence of it again because your body automatically knows what to do. What is the body's immune response to a dangerous virus? When you come down with a virus that is very serious, your immune system is immediately beginning its response. It's working through the systems it naturally is supposed to do. The adaptive immune response is what is going to fight the cells that are infected using antigens. An immune response is when your body reacts with a fever to an infection or bacteria in your system. What is passive immunity? This one's a little more tricky. While your body is able to do so many things on its own to help you and keep you healthy, it can even help others. A passive immune response example is when a mother is pregnant, they're able to provide an immune response to their unborn child in utero and in the beginning stages of life. As a young child, you are provided with passive immunity antibodies, such as the vaccines you receive in the first several years of life. When you receive an injection to protect you from an illness, it's passive. It's something that your body can't fight against on its own and needs the assistance of someone or something else. What is the immune system and its function? The immune system is a powerful part of the human body. It has a big job to do, and it can either do it good or bad. That is why it's so important to take care of it and support it. The immune system's main function is to keep you healthy and fight off illness or infection. There are many different parts to the immune system. Some are white blood cells. Your white blood cells are probably the most important part of your immune system and keeping things functioning properly. Your bone marrow is where these cells are made, and then they're like tiny little hunters in your body. They leave your bone marrow and go on a hunt for invaders, aka germs. Bone marrow. Bone marrow is very important to our bodies. It's a soft, squishy substance inside of our bones that house many important parts of our immune systems. Red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets can all be found in the bone marrow. Lymphatic system. This part of your body manages the functions of many different areas. It's the makeup of a lot of things. It's responsible for things like cancer cell reaction, fluid levels, and reaction to bacteria. Spleen. The spleen is basically a filter for your body. It gets rid of the bad cells. You need your spleen to help you fight off different types of diseases, among several others. A primary immune response happens in the innate phase of exposure. Our bodies can do so much naturally when we take care of it in the right way. The gut is responsible for so many different ailments that can happen within us. That's why a lot of times treatment for different things is observed with dietary changes. What are the different types of immunity? Our bodies are made up of two different types of immunities. 3 if you'll include community immunity. When you think about your immune system, you may not realize how complex it really is and how hard it's always working to protect you. The immune response to infection is a step-by-step process to make sure that you stay healthy and free of infections. Here are the different types to be identified: active immunity, passive immunity, community immunity. Active immunity is the one that is more highly used in your body on a regular basis. Community immunity is something that is brought about because other people are protected. When a herd of people is vaccinated against illness or disease, you're less likely to contract it from someone who has built an immunity to it. Supplements can help support the immune system. It can be hard to supply our bodies with everything that it needs daily. Due to busy schedules and other things, sometimes you need the assistance of a supplement. Finding ways to take care of your body is important for the immune system as well as your health. Spermidine is a natural supplement that can help the body produce the cell turnover that it needs to stay healthy. Having optimum function within your body can help you to feel better and be more active. Take the initiative to boost your immune health. Look into Spermidine.
Hey there, thanks for checking us out on YouTube. I'm Daniel from Longevity Labs. We want you to know that we put a lot of time and energy into bringing you the best available information on how to live a longer and a happier life. Follow us here on YouTube or your favorite social channel and stay up to date with what we're working on. Thank you again, and it'll be worth your time.